The man just accidentally ripped off the doorknob. But few people have yet to realize the seriousness of the problem. Everyone started to get nervous. But the fire extinguishers failed. Result next second. Just when everyone was confused. And they quickly opened the front desk window. Just then, Xiaohai picked up the phone. Hello. After the other party finished speaking, he hung up the phone, but triggered other organs again. And the room is now sealed all around. If you can't find an escape route, the room is now a hot oven. This terrifying scene made Dao Mai go limp to the ground. Little do they know that it is this glass of water. The real horror has only just begun.